guys, welcome back everyone. Look, me and Owen are at the carnival today. We've got a stall down at Desborough Carnival. We've got the truck with a honey display in, and then the table set up. We've got tester honey today, so people can try some candles. We've got some equipment with us, frame. And then we've got Braybrook set honey. We've got the immune booster in a bigger jar. And then we've got the beautiful golden runny, well really thick runny Deer Farm Apiary, which is a gold winning honey. It won gold at the International Cheese and Dairy Awards. We've got Owen in the truck. This is my little serving elf. We've got some big boy jars. We've only got 3 with us. And then we've got some more.